Hi guys, welcome to another video on Fred's channel. And we're in Fred's dad, we're in Fred's dad's house, which he has bought because he owns quite a lot of houses. We're here with my little brother and Fred.
Hey.
So today we're doing a try not to laugh challenge. We're gonna do rounds. So technically what happens? We're all three. Whoever laughs first, they're out. Then last second is out. Then whoever's the last one without laughing wins. And then they get a point. At the end of the video, whoever got the most points wins and gets like a treat or something. Whoever loses just gets whoever comes second gets like nothing. And then let's say Harry loses, he gets a forfeit. And also they're going to be picked at that bin which Freddie just said. So let's get into the video.
Just put that.
That is not okay. I'm out.
I love. Why does he laugh?
Harry, you're out. So this round, Fred wins. So round the video, 1-0 to Fred.
To me.
Fred, you can't cover your mouth, you're out.
Oh.
Harry, you're out. That's a point to me.
Oh, next round. I get everything.
Okay, next round. Really. I've seen this before.
Oh, he's decent. He's decent.
What is she gonna shock us? Oh, yeah, I've seen that.
Jeez.
I've seen this.
That must hurt.
Oh yeah, I think I've watched it.
Oh.
I've watched this video.
Oh, that must be painful. Frank.
How can Harry you're out?
Oh, I still want to do that prank.
These aren't finished. Okay, that's unfortunate. That would mean you, Fred.
Oh, I'm just. This like. Ow. I told you, I tried that. Wow.
Wow, that's so cool, dude. Best in the world. Okay, Fred, you're out. I win that round.
Oh, Charlie. Wait, what am I on?
Okay, so Fred's on 1 point. I'm on 1 point. Harry,
on 0.
we're going to start him on
It
5.
ain't looking good for Harry.
But you know what? Shall we give Harry a 5 point head start? Because he just laughed quite like easily, and also he's not like he's gonna win. So Harry's yeah, I won that. Fred just laughed in the background.
No, I laughed because I just chucked my controller in the bin. Oh dear. Harry, get out!
Xbox in the bin.
It's just like, ow, like, I can just feel like, oh, Techers. Oh, Techers!
Okay, I won that round. That's 3 points to me. how you start with 5, remember? Okay, Fred won that round.
Let's go. Oh, what you missed that? That was 90.
It looks like call it a bowler's
Like she's trying not to cry because of the video, but then she just like cries. She's freaking out.
Okay, I win that easy one.
I did. She did. Let's go. That's not fair. I did it.
Oh, that's just her.
Good son. Nailed it. Here he goes. Oh.
That was her.
Yeah.
Oh, I've seen that. Mostly 15. Do you know how many? Try not to laugh at you. Okay, Harry, you're out there.
Oh, right there.
Pull your legs up to your chest.
Come in now.
Right in the John Thomas.
So every for the chair. Okay, I win that. That's 5 to me.
How many to me?
5
Like
to me, 2 to Fred, 5 for Harry.
Oh, ain't looking good for me.
I need to be in too. That just hurts. That's just that's like that the thing is with these videos is that you know what's gonna happen. I don't.
This is about you and Brady.
Yeah, look. Oh no, look, you that like
I bet some people.
look, they've messed up. Like,
But that can hurt though. Like if you land on I've always thought like if you land on your head whilst doing like a backflip or front flip, it's gonna really
that was gonna happen.
Ready?
Ah, Fred, you're out. Wasted.
Fred,
Fred, you're out. You laughed.
Don't
Yeah, Fred's out.
crash.
Fred's out. Fred, you're out.
Let me free. Coming back, boys. You see me rolling.
You know what? It's gonna
I
happen.
hate it.
I'm surprised you made this start.
Why did you do that though? Like,
Okay, Harry won that. Harry won that. That's 6 to Harry, 5 to me, 2 to Fred.
that just hurts. Like, ow.
Jeez, lady, gotta get some skills, lady. Jeez, man, you gotta get some skills, man. Oh, you know what's gonna happen here. Bye.
Oh, ow, ow.
Oh, I've seen this. I've seen it, and I'm gonna tell you what happens. That's when the gravity things. That was always gonna happen.
Oh, look at how cute. Look at this fat baby.
There's something you don't see
That's
every
not
day.
funny. That's like a boss complete. You know what's gonna happen? He's gonna slip on that. He's gonna slip on that. You know it's gonna happen.
Yeah,
My numbers are about twice what they're supposed to be. There's a good chance I have twins.
Kill me. The moment when bye bye.
when you try your best but you don't succeed.
Fight it.
Nope. He just actually thought it was like
Yeah,
a video.
no, he actually can't. Oh, I won that round. Harry won 7-5. Man, how idiot are you? Baby. trouble. He was doing something with our parents. No, and then the bricks fell over and smashed over.
Or the what?
The brick smashed over and hit the vessel. What did you do? Ha ha.
Whoa, that dude,
Ooh. That's loud. Oh, the Fat Man and Slippery Slide too heavy to move. Oh, he set a light. Oh, this is just look. Why would you do that? Why would you do that?
That's like the most known vine.
Man, please, why would you do that? That is man. Ooh, that's 100 IQ. Oh, ooh. Bye bye. Join it.
I want it back. I want the big donkey.
2 minutes left.
Nice, Ryan.
I see. Oh, I'm not allowed to. No! No!
Okay, Freddie, you're out.
Oh,
I'm
no.
surprised you haven't laughed.
Oh no!
Jeez, you really want to get yourself in the bin. But I know. Bye bye. Good day, Louie in the cellar. Guinea dog.
Ready?
I've
Catch
seen
it.
it.
Here we go. Catch.
Oh, I've seen
Oh
it.
yeah, Harry laughed. Okay,
Harry, you're out.
I won 6-7. Ooh. Why did you
Down,
look so fat
down,
and chubby?
down.
Fred's out. Oh, look at this.
I am the
Savage.
wonder. Oh!
One hen house stuck with it.
Ooh, cool.
Probably 8.
Right, we're gonna have to wrap it up here, Charlie. What do you have to say?
What we're going to do is maybe in a couple of videos, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and press the bell. This video,
You're gonna announce the winner.
I technically would, but we gave Harry a head start, so he won because he usually lasts. I'm surprised he say that.
Like
Freddie
before the
only got 4 points. I got
Before-
six. So I think
Oh,
me
no,
and Harry
no.
should tie first because he got a 5
I think
head start. So
yeah.
it should be 2, 3, 6, but Harry got an extra one.
Do you
So
want to say
remember.
something about the giveaway?
Oh yeah. So wait. Also, for the forfeit, we're doing that tomorrow morning.
Yeah, we're doing a separate video, so we'll do a part 2. This will be part 1, and we're doing a part 2 tomorrow, which I'll have to pick out of this bin, which has got my Xbox controller in it. Strangely.
Please leave a like, subscribe, and press the bell because soon we'll be doing a V-Box giveaway for PS4, Nintendo, and Xbox.
So guys,
Thanks for watching.
see you
Peace out.
tomorrow in the separate video part 2.